To use the InstallOwl app, you can download them on the Google Play and iOS app stores. Any updates saved in InstallOwl are immediately visible in SiteOwl. In order to log in, technicians can log in using the same credentials as they use to log into SiteOwl on a web browser, which is their email and a password. If you forget your password, you can reset it using the Forgot Password link at the bottom. The homepage of InstallOwl is the project list. This is where you'll see all projects for which you've been given access that are currently at the install stage. Project names are in bold with percentage complete and devices left displayed. Under each project name is a list of buildings in that project with the number of devices each at the status of planned in red, in progress in orange, and installed in blue. Tap on the building name that you want to view to open that building in a floor plan. You can also tap the star to favorite a project building. This will add that building to the favorite section at the top of your projects list for easily accessible projects. When you tap the building name on a project, you'll be taken to the floor plan view for that building. This view shows the plans for that project with devices placed at the points where they would be installed. You can tap on a device to see device details and update a device. You can tap on the numbers at the bottom to see a list of relevant devices. And you can pinch to zoom in or out. Tapping on the numbers at the bottom right will give a list of those devices as well. You can also go back to the home screen by tapping the top left. The building name will be at the top in the middle. You can change to a different plan in this building by choosing the floor option with the arrow to the right hand side. You can filter which devices appear at the bottom left. You have an online offline indicator. Blue equals online and red equals offline. You can also see a list of devices in the status at the bottom. And by tapping on one of those numbers in the bottom right will give a list of those devices. The list shows device name, part number, and installed by, and the installation date for each device. Tapping on a device will give you device details and allow you to update the device. When you tap on a device on the floor plan, the details for that device will load. From this screen, you can change installation status from planned to in progress to installed. Planned means a device is planned in the project design, but installation hasn't started yet. In progress means installation has started but isn't completed. And installed means the installation is completed for this device and no further work is necessary. When you set installation status to installed, SiteOwl will automatically update the date installed to today and install by to your name as long as those fields haven't already been filled in. You can upload or capture photos to show your work by using the Capture or Upload Photo button. Now your pictures show up so you can see exactly where you installed them. Other important fields like IP address or serial number can be updated as well, with the description and installation notes at the bottom. Once you're finished, go ahead and press save, and now you're all complete. You'll get the syncing device message. Once it's been uploaded, the device screen will show completed. That's it.